Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to look into a common Microsoft Word problem that many of us have encountered at some point. How to make all your text fit on one page. No matter what kind of documents you are working on, this skill is very important for you. Please make sure you watch this video to the end to have full knowledge on how to make your document fit perfectly on a single page. If you are new to Microsoft Word environment, don't hesitate to check some of our videos. They are highly simplified and educative. One of the major things that will come to your mind when trying to fix all your text on a single page in Microsoft Word is to control the amount of white space around the edge of your document by adjusting the margins. How to go on with that is very simple. Open your Microsoft Word document. Okay, let's generate some simple text here. Very good. Now go to the Layout tab and click on Margins in the Page Setup group. Now you can select either narrow, moderate, wide, or you can choose custom margins to set your specific values just like this. You can change the margin value to the top, bottom, left, and right. So before saving these changes, you can specify if it is for the entire document or it should begin from this point forward, and then click on OK. Very good. Let's go back and apply normal margin. Correct. Now let's control it manually by adjusting the margins right here, like this. To the left, you can adjust it, and to the right, this is to the top, and this is to the bottom. Correct. But be careful while you are reducing the margin not to affect the readability standards and to prevent some text not showing during printing. If your text still spills onto another page, it's time to apply these tricks. You need to reduce the font size and the line spacing. Here's how to do that. Select the text you want to adjust, and on the keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus less than to reduce the font size, and Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than to increase the font size. Or you can simply go to Home tab, and now in the fonts group you can increase or decrease the font size from here. Yeah, just like this. Okay. And now to adjust the spacing between the text, the line spacing, so you can go to Paragraph group under the Home tab, and on line and paragraph spacing, this one here, you can select the convenient one for your document. And you can also remove or add space after or before paragraph like this. But for this, we're going to reduce the line spacing only. So let's maintain the space after paragraph. Okay, like this. It's okay. Alright, again, be careful not to go too much on the font size. It may be hard for other people to read. When you compress it very little just to fit on a page, it might be very hard for other people to read. And even when you print, it might look very, very tiny on the paper. Whatever kind of document you're working with, most especially those having table or text in a text box. You can use the shrink to fit option. This feature automatically reduces the text size to fit it within the designation space. For example, let's add a table here. You can go on the insert. Alright, table. Okay, so let's increase the width to move out of the margin. Okay, so very good. Now you can click on any part of the table, then go to layout here, and under the cell size group, click on auto fit, and then click on auto fit window. Alright, you can equally shrink the entire pages into one. We're having 2 pages right here, so let's compress it to a single page. So simply go to your quick access toolbar over here, click on customize quick access toolbar, then go to more commands. Now click popular commands and then choose all commands. So we are not done yet. Now scroll down. Okay, keep going. We are going to locate shrink on page. Shrink on page. So you have to go down. I can't even find it. Okay. Now click add. And then click on OK. Click on shrink to fit option. Amazing, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to do us a favor, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and don't hesitate to drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next video.